What if I told you you can start earning real US dollars online? Without a degree, without investment, and even without leaving your home? Sounds fake. Well, it's not. In 2026, thousands of people are making $100 to $1,000 plus per month online using simple websites. And today, I'm going to show you the top 10 websites that actually pay in dollars banknote with $sign. And make sure you watch till the end. Because number 1 is the highest paying platform, and most beginners completely ignore it. Section 1. Why dollar income matters. Before we jump into the list, quick reality check. If you live outside the US, earning in dollars is powerful because $10 equals 800 Indian rupees plus. $100 equals 8,000 Indian rupees plus. $1,000 equals 80,000 Indian rupees plus. That's why smart people don't just earn. They earn in strong currencies. 10. Clickworker. Clickworker is perfect if you're a beginner. You get paid for writing short texts, categorizing data, completing small tasks. Earnings, $5 to $50 per week, beginner level. Best for students. Side hustle beginners. Reality, this won't make you rich, but it's a great starting point. 9. User testing. Want to get paid just for giving your opinion? User testing pays you to test websites, record your screen, share feedback. Earnings, $10 per test, 10 to 20 minutes. Example, you visit a website, talk about your experience, and boom, you get paid. 8. Fiverr. This is one of the most popular freelancing platforms. You can sell graphic design, video editing, writing, AI services. Earnings, $50 to $1,000 plus per month. Pro tip, use AI tools like ChatGPT to deliver faster. 7. Upwork. Upwork is like Fiverr, but more professional. Clients here pay higher rates. Earnings. Beginners, $5 per hour. Experts, $50 plus per hour. Best for freelancers, skilled workers. Tip, your profile matters more than your skill at the beginning. 6. Swagbucks. Swagbucks pays you for simple activities. Watching videos, taking surveys, shopping online. Earnings, $20 to $200 per month. Good for passive income lovers. 5. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Also known as MTurk. You do small tasks called hits. Earnings, $3 to $10 per hour. Tasks include data entry, image labeling. Tip, use scripts or tools to find high-paying tasks. 4. TopTal. This is not for beginners. TopTal hires only the top 3% freelancers. Earnings, $1,000 to $10,000 per month. Best for developers, designers. 3. Teachable. Create a course once, earn forever. Earnings, $100 to $10,000 per month. Example, teach video editing. Teach AI tools. 2. YouTube. YouTube is still one of the best ways to earn in dollars. Earnings, ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, example channels, faceless videos, AI content. Tip, consistency beats talent here. 1. Shopify. This is the big one. With Shopify, you can start dropshipping, sell digital products, build an online store. Earnings, $500 to $10,000 plus per month. Why it's number 1? You're not trading time for money. Bonus, hidden website, Most people. Don't know. Medium. Write articles. Get paid monthly. Earnings. $50,000 to $5,000 per month. Step-by-step action plan. If you're confused, follow this. Beginner. Start with Clickworker plus Swagbucks. Intermediate. Move to Fiverr or Upwork. Advanced. Build YouTube or Shopify. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Expecting instant money. 2. Not being consistent. 3. Copying others blindly. Reality check. Online earning is real. But it takes time, effort, patience. Anyone promising instant money is lying. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like thumbs up sign. Subscribe bell for more videos like this. And comment below. Start if you're ready to earn your first dollar online.